So I was taking apart this this power amplifier. This is an NAD amplifier. This is the power amp board, and I was admiring this beautiful layout, this huge heat sink. Right, you can see here this resistor. Something happened, and it just chooched its last chooch. And so I was admiring this beautiful board. And of course, I love transistors. So I thought, I'll take these transistors off. There's a little thermo. I'll show you how that works. And then I was like, what are these little things? These cool little resistors, right? 5 watt, like these are some huge resistors. Let's see what they measure. And I was like, what the heck is this? It's like 0.4 ohms. Let me get it on there. 0.3. 0.3. I was like, wow, what are these? They're like hooked to the base collector emitter. They're all coming off the emitter. And then I realized I was watching this YouTube channel, Simply Put. And I tell you, he simply puts it. And then I realized these are ballast resistors, right? Because I'm having issues with things just going out of control. Like, check this out. Like I keep blowing resistors. Like there's a Darlington pair. Look at that, right? Blown it up, right? And these are like, it's another Darlington. Ooh, right? Just blowing them up. Here's one of the new ones. This one's great. They're a little bit smaller. Oops. Can't really see. There it is. Yeah. 21194s, but you can see the difference between the new ones and the old style ones. Anyway, these ones here are Toshiba. And these are 300 volt, right? Where these are only 250, I think. So, transistor party, and we'll put the ballast. I'm going to steal these and put these in to my circuit, right? To see if we'll say my circuit, right? These are blown up, and so I thought, geez, if I could, right? Simply Put's channel just puts it in perspective. Like, so what happens is, if you can, the base to emitter is biased, and then you get this current flow across these two, base to collector, and it's amplified. But if this goes, and that's what all these went into, like some sort of thermal meltdown, where you can see on the back of one of these, so one in the video where the thing just goes crazy. The first one actually blows up at like 400 or 500 degrees, and then I kill it just as this one hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Anyway, fun with transistors.